Mayor Jennie Uy-Mendez of Villanueva Misamis Oriental is giving her all-out support to the LGBTQIA+ community in their locality. The group has a virtual fashion show and the Politiko wants her constituents to watch it. She has given the go signal to have it streamed on the official Facebook account of the municipality. La Moda highlights key designers from the province. Featured designers include Hil Macalbay III, Joshua Dibone, and Doc Mavi de Leon Ladlat. Also featured are JC Salvador, Dave Tampos, and Lars Balihon Lomopog.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.